Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Family and 2. Phonics, M and N.
今日のターゲットは1、家族2、フォニックスの M と N.
Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson.
じゃあ DVD レッスンを始めよう。
Next, let's do some actions. First, just watch what I'm doing.
はじめはこれからやることを見ていてね。
Okay, here we go.
さあ行くよ。
Stand up. Walk 2. Go out. Come back. Write down. Listen to. Eat up. Drink up. Sit down. This time, let's do it together.
次は一緒にやってみよう。
Are you ready? Stand up. Walk 2. Go out. Come back. Write down. Listen to. Eat up. Drink up. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. Just watch and listen.
よく見て聞いていてね。
M is monkey. M.
まずはじめにえと言います。次に上の唇と下の唇をピタッとくっつけて、鼻から音を出すようにんと言います。口を開いちゃダメだよ。じゃあ続けて言ってみようか。M。できたかな？
Okay, let's try the M sound together. 1, 2, M. 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 Very good. Next,
M の時に練習したの音です。口をしっかり閉じてと言いましょう。
Okay, let's try the sound together.
じゃあ一緒に言ってみよう。
1, 2, Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we?
それでは最後に全部一緒に言ってみようか。
M is monkey. Are you ready? 1, 2. M is monkey. Wonderful. Next is N.
次は N。
N is nose. N.
まずはじめにと言います。次にベロの先を口の中にくっつけるんだけど、場所は上の歯の付け根の部分。そこにピタッとくっつけたまま、と言います。言い終わると鼻から息が出るんだよ。続けて言うと、できたかな？
Okay, let's try the N sound together. 1, 2, N, N, N. Very good. Next,
N の時に練習したの音です。この時、口は少し横に開いているよ。ベロをしっかり口の中にくっつけたままで言おうね。できたかな？
let's try the sound together. 1, 2, Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we?
それでは最後に全部一緒に言ってみようか。
N is nose. Are you ready? 1, 2. N is nose. Wonderful. It's time to sing. The name of the song is Where is Father?
Where is father? っていう歌だよ。
Just watch us sing.
先生たちが歌うのをよく見ていてね。
Where is Father? Where is Father? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Where is Mother? Where is Mother? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Where is brother? Where is brother? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Where is sister? Where is sister? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Where is baby? Where is baby? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Did you like this song?
この歌好きかな？
Me too.
先生もだよ。
Please listen to this song at home. Goodbye.
お家でもこの歌聞いてね。バイバイ。
It's new vocabulary time.
新しい単語の時間だよ。
I'll introduce you to some new words.
新しい単語をいくつか紹介するね。
Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin.
じゃあ、始めよう。
He's our father. She's our mother. He's an elder brother. She's an elder sister. He's a younger brother. She's a younger sister. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? He's a younger brother. He's an elder brother. She's an elder sister. She's a younger sister. He's a father. She's a mother. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's Chant's time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let me show you a new chant. Just watch and listen.
今週は新しいチャンツをやってみせるよ。見て、聞いているだけでいいよ。
Mother is sweet. Father is strong. Brother is cool. Sister is pretty. Baby is cute. Grandma is kind. Grandpa is wise. That's my family. Did that look interesting?
面白そうに見えたかな？
Hi, it's book time. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen.
これから読むよ。よく見て、聞いていてね。
The title is Family, written by Gary and Akiko.
本のタイトルは家族。ギャリー先生とアキコ先生が書いたお話です。
My name is Ken. Let me introduce my family.
僕の名前はケン。僕の家族を紹介するね。
This is my younger sister.
こちらは僕の妹。
This is my elder brother.
こちらは僕のお兄ちゃん。
This is my elder sister.
こちらは僕のお姉ちゃん。
This is my father.
こちらは僕のお父さん。
This is my mother.
こちらは僕のお母さん。
This is my grandfather.
こちらは僕のおじいちゃん。
This is my grandmother.
こちらは僕のおばあちゃん。
This is my family.
こちらが僕の家族。
The end. Did you like the story?
この話好き？
Me too.
先生もだよ。
Goodbye.
さようなら。
Hi, my name's Max.
My name's Carla.
My name is Kindo.
Now let's play the sound guessing game.
ねえ、音を当てる遊びをしようよ。
Somebody says nose. Guess who?
誰かな？当ててね。Rose!
Nose.
Pose.
Who said nose?
誰が言ったのかな？
I did. I said nose. Oh, Max said nose.
マックスが言ったんだね。
Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Linda?
ところで、リンダはなんて言ったの？
I said pose. Pose.
I see.
なるほど。
How about you, Carla? Carla?
カラはどう？カラ？
I said rose. Rose.
I see.
なるほど。
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over.
これで DVD レッスンはおしまい。
Can you remember today's targets?
今日のターゲットを思い出せるかな？
Today's targets were 1. Family and 2. Phonics M and N. Please don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.